FOSI is Federation of Construction Industries. If you're talking about looking for off-takers for tiles, talk to FOSI. Seek FOSI's assistance. FOSI might not even help you like that, but it can give you those that you can talk to get your product out for that person, as long as this product is suitable for use in construction.
Massive awareness campaigns. It's the same people that are in the room. What are the people out there? How do we reach them? We need those massive campaigns to be able to drive what we're talking about, so that it will become a culture. And for something to become a culture in Nigeria, it needs to be out there, billboards, TV, radio, everywhere you go, it's in your face. Later it becomes in your subconscious and it becomes a culture.
Now things have really improved in terms of the knowledge of circular economy. So we need to keep on having this kind of meetings to make the knowledge very available, both at the very strategic level, at the government level, influencing public procurement, so that products that are circular oriented can be scaled up in the country.
You have to really see where you're adding value in this circular procurement business that we are. Because where you're adding value is very rarely in the thing you're selling. It is in the things that are around that thing.
The fashion industry, from what I observed or from my experiences, they are really keen on sustainability. And then what also helps them is that their margins can cover for a small product like buttons. So it's not like other circular businesses where, because of the production, because of the size of what you're making, the cost is really high. These are really small amounts, and when compared to how much they're selling their outfits to the cost of these buttons.
3D printing, because there are other things. We eventually settled on injection machine. Let me find what I'm looking for. Yes, injection machine as a process. And those are some of the tools that we still use now, and we're also able to provide other businesses with those tools to grow. This was the first thing we manufactured. We actually got some publicity on CNN, on BBC, on some other media, and we did, I think, over 20,000 face shields and face masks.
So when you say circular economy, they say, what is that? When you're telling them about, we want to measure your ESG, they're saying, we don't know. So, those terminologies are not for them, but breaking it down to their level, so that you can actually begin to teach them and, help them to integrate these practices. So you want to be able to tell them that you can actually use your waste for this kind of product, teach them about, and then connect them to the markets, as well.
I don't just want us to have a workshop where we just come and talk and go, like a proper normal workshop that people do. I want us to use the outcomes from here, where the journalist has given the outcome stories, to draw the next set of people that will come into the room.